Okay guys, or anybody watching, making this video because I just purchased two Can-Am Mavericks X3, and one came with a cooler that was mounted in the back right here, and then I bought a cooler for this one, and when I searched online, it seemed there wasn't anything for the cooler I had, which maybe it's a newer one, I'm not sure, but I'll show it to you here. Alright, so here it is, upside down right now, but most of the videos that I was finding were not for this style. It had a lot more bracketry, and I couldn't find anything online, so I just thought I'd just do this. But this one here is already done. Most of the videos I'm seeing online, you have to take apart the back shelf of your side-by-side. This one, literally, you bolt these brackets here and you bolt those on, and this literally just slides into the holes into your back shelf. I'll show you, but this is the bracketry that you get. Absolutely no instructions in the box, but you simply put these brackets together here, and you put this bracket on first, then this bracket onto the cooler, and then this one. You can see the adjustment on this, and I'm just going to copy the same setting on that since the Mavericks are pretty much the same. I'm hoping that'll not need any adjustment, but if you look, this just moves back and forth because it slides into the slot, and you can adjust this. But for the most part, that's it. It's super simple. They have these, I think it's T31 maybe, I'm not 100% yet, but that's it. Most of the instructions, or most of the videos I see online, you have to use multiple tools. This is just fairly straightforward, but if you don't know how the brackets go, it can be kind of confusing. I was just lucky enough that I could take this one right off the other side-by-side and look at it. So I'll show you how it goes on. It took me about 20 minutes because I didn't have the right tools, so I don't have anything metric, but nonetheless, number 4 Allen did the job. So the fitment part of it is pretty simple. On this style, those hooks go right into that very last diamond-shaped hole in the top here, and then your latches go in that one. So you just set it down, latch it in, boom. But a quick little helpful tip here. I had a little bit of an issue with fitment. Let me set the camera down here. These, I would think, need to be straight, you know, with the line here, but it doesn't go in, the cooler doesn't set in evenly, and these won't line up if these are straight. So just a helpful hint, turn these inward a little bit, and then it latches right into place, and then that's it. If you got the right tools, it might take you 10 minutes. Hopefully this might help someone.